Children, last day I taught you geography lesson second, natural resources, point, fresh water. Now, large dam, page number 126. During the past 5,000 years, several rivers have been dammed the world over. The first dam were merely small construction designed to control flow and supply water for irrigation and domestic use. Later, they came to be used for generating hydroelectricity since 1930, and particularly between 1950 and early 1970, many large dams have been constructed by by 2000. More than 48,000 large dams have been constructed. Nearly two-thirds of the world's dams lie in Asia. About half of the world's total in China alone. Large dams, though highly useful for providing irrigation facility and generating hydroelectricity, have adverse environmental impact in the vicinity of the reservoir. Hence, they have become controversial. The reservoir created behind the dam impounds vast area under forest and settlements. The Bolvina Dam, constructed on the Amazon River, Brazil in 1987, submerged 2,360 kilometers in natural rainforest of the Amazon basin. It is also displaced about the one-third population of the Waimari Atori tribe. Similarly, three Ganges dams in China on the Yangtze River, the Sardar Sarovar Dam on the Narmada River, and the Tehri Dam on the Bhagirathi River in India have been criticized by the environmentalists. Conservation of water and improving its quality. Now, pollution of water is a serious problem of the world over. When impurities succeed the permissible limit in the water body, it is said to be populated. This polluted water is wholly unfit for the human use. Drinking water must be pure. Drinking water must be pure. मतलब पीने वाला पानी प्योर शुद्ध होना चाहिए बिल्कुल. The major contaminants of water are bacteria and parasites, chlorinated hydrocarbons, volatile hydrocarbons, lead salt, calcium carbonate, and iron. Bacteria and parasites cause many diseases such as amoebic dysentery, diarrhea, etc. Complete disinfection of the drinking water is possible only through chlorination. Boiling water is the most common method to destroy all bacteria and parasites. Pesticides are derived from chlorinated hydrocarbon. They are used in virtually all countries, although they are very hazardous to people. They are not biodegradable and hence they reach human bodies through water. Water can be freed of this contamination only by the expensive process of distillation. The use of pesticides need to be completely banned in developing countries, as has been done in industrialized nations. Soil and water are contaminated with the hydrocarbons by oil spills, leaking petrol and diesel tanks, and cleaning fluids that are flushed down the drain. This water, once contaminated, cannot be easily purified and hence has to be marketed under undrinkable. Lead is very dangerous to the nervous system. Through water purify remove the lead contamination. They absorb lead the particles and need to be replaced regularly. Salt, dissolved calcium, इसमें खारा पानी कहते हो ना, dissolved calcium carbonate and iron are not health problems but lead to other problems like affecting the mechanics. These are, however, more localization problems. Besides drinking water, there are four other uses of water: industrial, hydroelectricity, generate, irrigation, and for use of animals and poultry. Iron contamination and hard water are more serious problems for industrial activities and electricity generation. Salt is more serious problem for irrigation water, water for animals and poultry. Like humans need water free of microbes and lead contamination. Surface runoff can be slowed down by forest and other vegetation cover to improve underground storage. Water harvesting is one of the methods of saving surface runoff. Water may also be impounded by making check dams. Water is used for irrigating crops. Over irrigation needs to be avoided. Seepage loss from canals can be minimized by cleaning them. Sprinkles are an effective and efficient irrigation technique. In dry region, where evaporation rate is very high, drip or trickle irrigation is very useful. Water is supplied to plant roots through underground pipe. In industries, recycled water may be used for cooling purpose. Influents should be treated before disposing them. In domestic use, wastage of water should be checked. Wastewater of kitchen may be used for gardens. Every individual needs to economize water usage. In many regions of India, water is brought for daily use for long distances. It is going to be a problem in other parts as well, sooner or later, if we do not learn to economize and make best use of water available to us. Now, quick recap: self-read, and hard work learned.